When we purchased our land a year and a half ago, the main field was overgrown with pine trees and small bushes. Since then, we've been able to open up the field and get it to a point where we can maintain it with our brush hog and tractor.
And today we're going to show you how we change the blades on our BH215 bush hog. Now I've got my two little helpers with me today, and the first thing I want to make sure is that this bush hog isn't going to go anywhere. So we secured it using a jack stand and some wood blocking. To loosen these nuts, we're using a torque multiplier with a 3-to-1 ratio. It has a 1/2 inch drive input and a 3/4 inch drive output. And for this job, we're using a 6-inch extension and a 1 11/16 inch socket. With a torque specification of 600 foot-pounds, the torque multiplier made this job a whole lot easier. We set the torque wrench to 200 foot-pounds and tightened it down. My oldest couldn't quite just get the 200 foot-pounds.
Yeah.